Yes, sir. When writing time, I will see, sir. I will see that.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Nagbashram. Good evening, ma. Okay, what we have discussed in the last class? Acceleration due to gravity varies height, depth, size, like shape of the earth and the rotation of the earth, right? See the today concept. Gravitational field. Gravitational field. Okay. Look at this. What is the gravitational field? Suppose if you take any mass body, suppose it is the one of the body, it having mass m. Now it having some of the influence, like if I bring one more mass near to it, one more mass if I bring near to it, what will happen? What will be there between these two?
Sir, an influence of attraction will be there.
Attraction will be there. Now this mass I am moving away from the, so now what will happen? This mass I placed here.
Sir, the influence will be lesser.
So like that, at certain region, what will happen means there is no effect of this gravitational field provided by this mass. Nothing will be there at this region. Up to here, maybe there is influence. After this, if you place anywhere, there is no any influence on this object. That is, there is no
Sir, can you explain again?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So gravitational field means actually the space around the mass, the space around the mass, or the space around the object. Now in the space, what will happen means if you bring one more mass into this field, there is attraction force. After this field, there is no any attraction force. So this imaginary surface around the body is nothing but gravitational field. The space around the body is nothing but gravitational field. Means in this field, if you bring one more mass, then there is a attraction force.
Sir, I have a doubt. More the distance between the center of the earth and the object,
Yes.
more will be the force of attraction, right?
No. What is the force of attraction formula? F is directly proportional to m1 m2 by r square, right? So if distance is increasing, what will happen?
Decrease. Oh yeah, force decrease.
Yeah, remember this formula. It is only force of attraction between the two masses. So when the distance is increasing, force of attraction will decreases. So in this, the space around the mass, the space around the body, in this space, if we bring one more mass into it, then there is a effect of this field on that body. Means there is a attraction force on that body. if you place any object after the field, that means there is no any effect of attraction force on that mass. So how much that influence will be there? That is nothing but gravitational field. So gravitational field means the space around the body, in which if we bring one more object, that experiences force. So look at this. Santosh, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you repeat the definition?
Let's see. The space around the mass, the space around the mass is called the space around the mass means we don't consider the total. The space around the mass in which if you bring one more mass, that experiences attractive force.
So we can't see below that. I mean,
Yeah. Yes. Okay. So what I'm saying, the space around the mass is called gravitational field, but the space around the mass means even you will consider the total thing. It is also space around the mass only, right? But the space around the mass, in which if we bring one more mass, then that experiences force. Then only that is called gravitational field. The space around the mass in which if you bring one more mass.
Sir,
Tell me, ma.
sir, it's nothing but
That,
where
yes.
the space around the mass over which we can feel the influence of gravity.
Yes, we can feel the influence of gravity. Yes. So one more mass that experiences force. Which force? There is no repulsive force, okay? Always attractive force. Gravitational force is always attractive force. There is no repulsive force. That is the reason I didn't mention here which it is attractive force or repulsive force. It is always attractive. So the space around the mass in which if you bring one more mass, in this region, if you bring one more mass, that experiences force. That is nothing but the gravitational field. Otherwise,
So basically a magnet.
like a magnet, yeah. Basically,
But
like a
here
magnet.
attraction means you won't go close. Only difference.
Yes. Even a magnet, what will happen? It can repel also. Gravity, it can attract only. There is no repulsion force. That is the only difference between this. Otherwise, the space around the magnet, how you have studied, same like that, the space around the mass.
Sir,
Tell me, ma.
sir, I have a doubt. Like, are gravitational fields and magnetic fields related?
Yes, because Earth behaves as a magnet. Remember, Earth behaves as a magnet.
Yes, sir. So they are
Because-
both are related.
Related. How it is related means suppose, but what is the difference? Magnet can attract or repel the one more magnet, but gravitational force not like that. The gravitational force is not like that. It is always attractive. And what is the difference? Magnet can attract only magnetic material. This gravitational field can attract any body which having mass. Any body which having mass, it will attract. It won't repel. And magnetic force is short range force, but gravitational force is long range force. That are the differences. Both are related means yes, Earth behaves as a magnet, that we were studied in the childhood time, right? Am I clear? What is the gravitational field?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is the gravitational field. When they ask define gravitational field, that means the space around the mass in which if you bring one more mass, that experiences force. That's what you have to remember. Now look at here. One more definition. Gravitational
Sir?
intensity. Tell me, ma.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, like the space around it will have like a shape, no, sir?
Yes, yes.
Sir, is that shape is not sphere, right? It's
No, no.
like an
Basing on the earth, how we can see the earth. So basing on that, its space will be there. Suppose if you take any mass which is a circle, so around this field also will be circle only. If you take any mass like this, around this field also will be like this.
Sir, I have one more doubt.
Yeah, come on, ask.
Sir, like due to due to rotation and the due to rotation of the Earth, the
Yes.
shape of Earth is different, right?
Yeah, obviously.
Yes, sir. So if the shape of Earth is dependent upon its rotation, so very high speed, like we know that particles are in a sphere because of gravity among them, right?
Yes, because of gravity.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. The
Sir,
particles
now
which
I have
your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking.
sir.
Hmm.
Sir, what I was telling is like if any planet
Hmm.
very high speed, like think like 100, no, like 100 kilometers per second, sir.
Okay.
Sir, that time the planet will look like, sir, like, sir, it will look like an egg, right?
When it is rotating with
Yes, sir.
100,
Like
yeah, when
very
it
high
is moving with
speed.
high speed. Yes, yes,
Yes, sir. So it will look like an egg or like a
yeah,
pulley.
yes. It looks like compression of the sides.
That's what I wanted to ask. Like gravity matters when we are comparing shape of planets.
Yes. See, and you know, moment of inertia also, that's what we are discussing, right? If it is moving with high speed, then whatever the size will be there, that size should be, if it is like this, and one more object is like this, which will rotate fast, you know, which will rotate? Is it this body will rotate? First one will rotate fast or second one will rotate fast? Which one will rotate fast?
First one.
First one will rotate fast. First one, if I take any mass, that mass distance is this much. And from here, mass distance is small. So moment of inertia is mr square. Did you remember? When the distance is increasing, moment of inertia also increases. If moment of inertia increases, it opposes the rotation. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here, when the object, if it is like this, then it will rotate fast than this. Because
Sir,
here,
but that radius is smaller than the first one.
this radius is small. That is the reason, and mass also exists very close to the axis. Mass is very close to the axis. Come on. That's what yesterday we discussed. Now, if any object is here, then it rotates slow. If object is here, then
Rotate fast.
fast. See
Sir,
here.
can you explain once more?
Yeah, ask me. See, if you take any object like this, so what will happen means here r is, it is the distance from the axis of rotation. Okay.
Sir, 1 second. Sorry to interrupt. I think the board has again gone blur.
Remaining.
Now it's okay. Now it's
Okay. See, so it is the distance from the axis. Even mass existed up to here. Mass of the body existed up to here. Now one more body I am taking like this, and it is the axis of rotation. Okay, and it is the r. Now which one having more moment of inertia? Which one having more moment of inertia? Either to first one or to the second one? Which one having more moment of inertia? Tell me first.
So you told
So
I
the
is
second-
directly
Second one.
proportional to r square, right?
Yes, moment of inertia equal to mass into square of the perpendicular distance, right? Oh, sorry. Moment of inertia equal to mass into square of the perpendicular distance, right? So by
So
this
then first one will have more moment of inertia.
first, yes,
sir.
if it had
Yes,
more
sir.
moment of inertia, is it rotate fast? What is the moment of inertia? It opposes
It
the,
rotates slower because it opposes the rotation.
yes, if any
motion.
object is like this, it will rotate faster than this. Why? Because we know the moment of inertia concept. Okay, so remember that.
Sir, I have a doubt in gravitational.
Ah,
Suppose if you take the Earth
okay.
and its gravitational field, and
Hmm.
then you take another object outside the gravitational field, but then the gravitational field of that object is in contact with the Earth's gravitational field, then what will happen? Will it start orbiting the Earth?
No. Come on, once again. It is the Earth, right?
Yes, sir.
So gravitational field will be here like this, right?
Yes, sir.
So one more object is here, right?
Yes, sir.
So what you are saying?
Sir, the object outside's gravitational field is in contact with the gravitational field of the Earth.
So that means both are in the contact only.
Yeah, so will it start orbiting the Earth or will it come towards the Earth?
It will come to attraction force will be there between these two. There is a attraction force. If it is rotating, if it is moving around the Earth, it will move. That time gravitational force only will provide the necessary centripetal force to this to move in the circular path. Suppose it is the Earth, right? Moon is moving. So how moon is revolving around the Earth? What is the reason? Even it having gravitational force, and Earth gravitational force is providing necessary centripetal force to the moon. Then moon can revolve around the sun, around the Earth. So due to the gravitational force only, one of the planet is revolving around the other planet.
Sir, is there any way to find out how strong the gravitational field is?
Yes, that's what we are going to find. Now see, gravitational intensity or strength of gravitational field. Gravitational
So then
intensity.
moment of inertia that you were explaining,
Hmm.
that is under this gravitational intensity.
No, rotation of the thing that we have discussed, right? Rotation, acceleration due to gravity changes due to the rotation.
Yeah.
If any object is on the near the axis, it will rotate fast. If the object is so far from the axis, it rotates slow. Okay. That's what Ananya, we
Okay.
discussed this, right? If any object is here, it rotates very fast. If
Yes,
object
sir.
is
Yeah.
here, it rotates very slow.
Yeah.
Sir, what is the symbol of gravitational field?
I, intensity,
Sir, like for gravitational field.
field, E. Gravitational
Okay,
field
sure.
is E. Gravitational intensity, we can take I or we can take E bar, no problem. Okay. Intensity, we can take I or we can take E. Mostly in our textbooks, they will use E bar.
The gravitational field symbol is
E.
not E.
So the board is very blurred. I don't know if it's only for me, but
Remaining?
Sir, it's normal.
Okay. Okay. Look at this. Now
so
gravitational
what is that symbol next to field?
E. E bar, because it is a vector quantity. E bar. Okay. Look at this.
Is
Right?
that a capital E?
Capital E. Not small. Capital E. Capital E bar. Okay. So gravitational intensity or strength of gravitational field, very important concept. Okay. Because problems, if you we can do from this first formula here. After the field, it is the one more formula we are going to get. Look at this. Suppose it is the Earth. It is the earth. Around the earth, what will be there? Around the earth, what will be there? Anybody?
Gravitational.
Moon.
Around the earth, what will be there?
Gravitational.
Gravitational field will be there. Okay. So gravitational field is there. Okay. It should be like same. Okay. Just. Now one of the object, one more mass I placed here. Okay. At point 1. One more same mass I will place here. Where will you get more attractive force? At 1 or
Sir, point 2.
point 2. Okay. So how much? If you want to calculate, how much field will be there? How much electric field strength will be there? If you want to calculate. Here, what I'm doing to find out how much gravitational field is there at this point, or one more point, any point. If I take any point at this point, how much field is there? If I want to calculate, what I have to do, I should bring a test mass. Test mass means a small mass I should bring. If I bring a small mass, means due to that mass, remember, test actually for second year it is very, very important. Okay, I am bringing one test mass. Why I am bringing the test mass? To test where gravitational intensity is more to find. Okay, test mass is a very, very small. Due to that mass, there is no any effect on this field. Due to that mass, there is no any effect on this field. On this field, there is no any effect. This field cannot increase. This field cannot decrease due to that mass. Just we can find how much field is there due to Earth. That we can find. Look at this. Now that test mass I placed at point M. Sorry, that test mass small m I placed at point 1. Same test mass I can place at 2 also. Same test mass I can place at 3 also. But gravitational field intensity is not same at 1, 2 and 3. It will be different, right? That you know very well. Is it different or same? At 3 points, gravitational field intensity, gravitational field strength is different. At this point, more gravitational field will be there. Why? Because it is very near to Earth. Distance is little bit more. So gravitational force will be less, little bit less. Here gravitational field is very, very less because distance is increased. If you place at 4, there is no gravitational field only. So there is no gravitational intensity here. So in these 3 points, where will you get a maximum intensity? That maximum intensity is possible at 3. So how to calculate that maximum intensity? That is what strength of gravitational field. Any doubt, Risha?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt. I don't know if it's related to this.
Okay.
Sir, how do these orbits take place, like of the satellites and all? Why don't they fall off to the...
Come on. Don't worry, okay? There is certain type of velocities. I will explain that. That topic is there, okay? Each and every...
Orbits,
Yes.
orbits you are talking. Orbits are not visible. They are simply imaginary.
No,
Which
Yeah,
are-
I'm just asking, like...
Kind of,
I will explain. Orbit is nothing
assumptions.
but path, okay? I will explain that. Don't worry. Risha, I will explain, okay? Concentrate what I'm teaching. Next, the
Yeah.
topic is
So-
there. That time I will explain each and everything.
So,
Ananya,
are you going to explain again?
yeah, once again I am going to explain.
Okay, sir.
I have one more.
I know just now you joined, okay? Santosh, tell me.
So how do they gain the velocity to orbit?
Yeah, sure. I will explain. Don't worry. Because
So
we
what
have
is that? So what is that match something you were talking about? I didn't. Sir, there was something which you will place. I missed that point.
okay, come on.
Yes, sir.
So it is the
Sir,
Earth.
what if it's exactly on the line which I've drawn? What would happen then?
Come on. Look at this. It is the Earth, okay? Around the Earth, gravitational field is there, right? Because Earth is the nothing but one of the mass. Around the mass, which field will be there?
Gravitational field.
Gravitational field will be there. Is it gravitational field is same at each and every point? I took 1 point, second point, third point, and
No.
fourth point. So at the first point, second point, third point, where gravitational field is more?
Third
Third
point.
point.
Third point, gravitational field is more because it is very near to Earth, right? Am I clear? Okay. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What about the fourth point?
No,
Sir,
It'll be
almost
close to
zero.
no,
negligible.
sir. Nothing will be.
Nothing.
Because it's out of range.
It is out of range, so nothing will be there. Now what I am doing, I want to calculate at this point how much gravitational field is there, at this point how much is there, at this point how much will be there. If I want to calculate, I require one of the formula. Okay, I require one of the formula. Okay, to get that formula, first I will bring a test mass. Okay, test mass, please. Test mass. Test mass is nothing but a very small mass. Very small mass. Due to this mass, there is no any effect on this field. Due to this mass, there is no effect on original field. Original field. Come on, why I am saying this topic, why I am saying that there is no any effect on this field. Whatever I brought here, if it is creating some special field, like one more field if it is creating, can you calculate how much field is here due to Earth? Please try to understand. Now I will bring the, I bought the test mass here, right? Now if this test mass also creating some field like,
Sir, which one is the test mass?
this one, small mass, I will bring to 0.1. Okay.
Sir, can you erase other masses?
Other nothing is there. Other nothing are there. Okay. These are not. These are points. Okay. These are points. So test mass I bought near to the 0.1. Okay. Now test mass is here. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
If this test mass is creating gravitational field again, so if it is creating gravitational field, now can you calculate what is the gravitational field is here due to this mass? Can you calculate? Will you get the correct answer?
sir.
Hurry, come on. I don't
So you
know
have to
what is
make the
happening.
difference.
Please come on, not make the difference. What difference? We can't find out
Difference-
because it will also create something. How much it is that we can't find. That is so difficult thing that if you bring anything, if it is creating some disturbance, then it's very difficult to find that. Okay, I am bringing that. I bought the test mass. This test mass is not creating any field of its own. Okay.
Sir, we can say that its field is very
Sir,
negligible.
Very
just
less,
a second.
very,
Can you
very
repeat
less.
what you told?
I bought the test mass. So each and every mass around this, what will be there? Each and every mass around this, what will be there?
Gravitational.
Gravitational field will be there. Any mass if you take, any mass object if you take, around this gravitational field will be there. I am telling that to the test mass, this gravitational field is a very small. Very small. Very small. So don't
Sir, do I
consider.
understand better? No, sir.
Yes.
To understand better, example, take a cell phone tower.
Mm.
Electromagnetic radiations
Okay.
is there. If you go close,
Mm.
you can have more better signal. If I'm not wrong, I think, sir, if you connect for a hotspot,
Mm.
if you take it far, no, sir.
Yes,
Go out
it
of
won't
field,
get. Yeah, it won't
then
get field.
the
Okay.
electromagnetic field will
Yeah.
reduce and you won't get signal.
Yes, correct.
Same,
But-
sir.
Yes, same. Like, look at, please try to understand. I don't know why you are making me to get this much complicated. This is nothing. Earth is there. Around this Earth, gravitational field is there. So this gravitational field is not same at each and every point. It is different for different points. So how much it is? How much gravitational field is here? If I want to calculate, so I bought one test mass. So on this test mass, due to Earth, some of the force is acting. So force is acting on unit test mass is nothing but electric field strength. If this force is more, then gravitational field strength is more. If this force is less, gravitational field strength is less. So how much force is acting? How much force is acting on that mass, on the unit mass? That is nothing but gravitational intensity or strength of gravitational field. So strength of gravitational field is nothing but force acting on a unit mass. Force acting on a unit mass. If this force is more, then obviously intensity of gravitational field is more. If this force is less, then it is obvious it is just less. So the force acting on a unit mass is nothing but strength of gravitational field. Am I clear now?
So if it is not an unit mass,
If it is not an unit mass, if I don't take as a, if it is not an unit mass, why I am taking as a unit mass? If I take unit mass, how much force is acting, that we can calculate. If mass is increasing, then what will happen? Even it will create the sum of the field. That mass also will create the sum of the field.
sir, like I have a doubt, sir. If I have Earth, consider Earth itself. If I
Okay.
have 1 kg packet,
Okay.
or if I have 100 kg packet,
Okay.
or if I have 1000 kg packet, or if I have 1 million kg packet also, its field is very small compared to Earth, no, sir?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
sir, so by mass also it should have some factor, right?
I am telling that you have packets 100,000, whatever you have, that is now where you are placing that is the matter, right? That
Yes, sir.
packet where you are placing, that is the matter here. So if see whatever it is the Earth, it will create the field, and that packet if you place here, there is no any effect of gravitational field on this. But same packet if you place here, there is a effect. Means some of the attraction force is acting on this. How much? This much. Force acting.
So, but the mass doesn't make any difference.
That is what, this mass should not make any difference. If this mass is making difference, so what is the gravitational field of what is the gravitational field provided by Earth that you can't calculate?
So, but see, if you take a large mass, then according to the formula, strength of gravitational field decreases, right?
Whose
No,
strength?
increase.
If you take a big mass here, what will happen means, if you take one more mass is here more, so again attraction force will be there between these two. Okay, attraction force will be there. But what is our aim? We have to calculate how much gravitational field is here. What is the strength of the gravitational field? What is the strength of the gravitational field here provided by Earth? Tell me, ma'am.
So if for example we take a moon as it lies in the gravitational field of Earth only, right?
Yes.
So there the strength will reduce, right? Because the mass increases.
No, it is so far. It is far from the Earth. It is far
But
from the
sir,
Earth.
but sir, it lies in the gravitational field of the Earth only, right?
Even it will create the gravitational field because it is also mass body. Every mass body will create the gravitational field. Even Earth also mass body creates the field. That two fields will be contact. Here the matter is moon is so far from the Earth. So due to that forces, gravitational force is little bit less on the moon when you compare with the objects which are on the Earth.
Sir, can you explain the formula once more? I didn't understand.
See, come on. I don't know what is the reason that it is a very complicated, and it is very, very important for even second year also. Very, very important. Come on. So one of the one of the mass I placed here. Now what will happen? It is under the influence of gravitational field due to Earth, right? it will pull this, right? Right or not? It will pull this object.
Yes, sir.
Now same object I placed here. Now it will pull or not? It will pull or not?
So the attraction will be more, right?
More. That is what. So force is increasing when the mass is coming towards it. So here, how much force is acting on the mass? Here, how much force is acting mass? That is different. That is different. So if you want to calculate how much force is acting on this, what is the gravitational intensity? What is the effect of gravity here? If you want to calculate force by mass. Here, more force is acting on this mass. So more intensity will be here. Here, less force is acting on this mass. So less intensity will be there. So when you are going away from the mass, intensity is decreasing. When you are coming close to the mass, intensity is increasing. How much intensity? That intensity, if you want to calculate, force acting on a unit mass. How much force is acting on this body? How much force is acting on this body? So that gives the what is the intensity of gravitational field here, what is the intensity of gravitational field here. So gravitational field intensity is nothing but how much force is acting on that mass. Here definitely more force will act, here definitely less force will act. So intensity is more here, intensity is less here. Tell me, ma.
Sir, like if we write F as Gm, big M into small m by R plus H square.
E is equal to G capital M small m by R square by
Sir, by
M.
whole m. Yes, sir. That both the m get cancelled, no, sir.
Get cancelled. So it is only
Sir, so we can just say intensity is nothing but the acceleration produced, no, sir.
Yeah, intensity is nothing but acceleration produced when the mass is on the surface of Earth.
Sir, so now we can just say that intensity is nothing but the acceleration produced by the bigger body on the smaller body.
Yes.
Sir, so now it doesn't depend upon the mass of the body.
Intensity does not depending on the mass of the body. This mass is negligible.
Yes, sir. So if it crosses some very big value, that time only it will affect.
Yes, that time only it will affect. Until that, it won't affect. That's what. That's why I'm taking like it is a test mass. It is very small mass. On this mass, this mass won't create any external field. It won't create any field. So due to this Earth, how much intensity is here? How much intensity is here? If you want to calculate, then we have to use this formula. After this, force is nothing but attraction force between the two masses. So m1 g m1 m2 by r square by m. Mm will get cancelled. So it is the one more formula. It is the first formula. It is the second formula for the intensity of gravitational field.
Sir, how do we define intensity? Like
force acting on a unit mass. That's all. That is only intensity.
Sir.
Force acting on a unit mass is nothing but intensity. If force is more, intensity is more. Force is less, intensity is less. That's all. What is that? Force acting on a unit mass is nothing but intensity. That's all. Santosh, am I clear?
So intensity dimensions are same as acceleration, right?
Same as that. We will see that. Now we will write. Okay?
So what's that gm by r square? Could you explain it again?
Did you understand what is the intensity formula?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this?
Force.
Force between what? Force
Earth,
between?
Earth and that object.
Earth having mass, right?
Yeah.
This object having mass, right?
Yes, sir.
So between these two, there is some distance, right?
Yeah.
So what is the force acting now? F equal to G capital M small m by r square, right?
Yes, sir.
Now this force formula substitute here. This force formula substitute here. So if you substitute G M by r square by m equal to E. M will get cancelled. So this is only one more formula for intensity.
Sir?
1 minute. Clear? Asmi, clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
That's all. It is the force where you are where you are listening. Force. Which force? Gravitational force. Where it exists between the two masses. Where are the two masses? Earth is one mass. One more body is one mass. Two masses. Between the two masses, what will be there? Attraction force will be there. How much? G m1 m by r square. That same F, if you substitute here, then mm will get cancelled. You will remain with this formula. It is the one more formula for intensity. When they have given force and mass, you have to use this formula. When they have given mass, this and distance, we have to use this formula. That's all. To calculate intensity, there are two formulas.
Sir, we can write r square as big R plus h whole square.
Yeah, big R plus h, but this height is very, very small when you are comparing with the radius of the earth. That's why I didn't write. Even you can write. This small r, you can write big R plus h. Big R is the radius of the earth and it is the h, height of the object. So we can write like this. That's what he is saying. But here I am taking that h is a very, very small when you are comparing with the radius of the earth. So both combination only I have taken. Even you can write like this also, no problem. Am I clear this? Santosh?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the intensity of a gravitational field?
Intensity of gravitational field is equal to the force applied on unit mass of.
Who is applying force? Who is applying force?
The Earth is applying force on a unit mass in its
Yes.
gravitation.
How much force it is applying, that much intensity will be there. If it is applying less force, less intensity. More force, more intensity. Right? So E equal to F by mass. It is a vector quantity. It is a vector. It is a vector quantity. And look at this. Force is measured in Newton. Mass is measured in kg. So SI unit is Newton per kg. CGS unit is dyne per gram.
Sir, why don't you write meters per second?
Even MKS units you can write. Meters per second.
Sir, meters per
Square.
second square.
Yes, even write. MKS units also we can write. MKS.
Sir, that
MKS.
also is SI units only, no, sir?
MKS and SI units are same only for length, mass and time. These are same only for length, mass and time. Remaining is not. What is Prashant?
CGS unit is dyne per.
The fundamental quantity, sir.
Fundamental quantities. Yes.
That's dyne per
These
gram,
are base
right?
quantities.
dyne per
sir.
gram.
So only there.
Yes, that are fundamental quantities. So force is nothing but Newton. We know Newton is nothing but kg meter per second square. It is called Newton by kg. So kg will get cancelled. That's what Nagabhushan will telling that, sir, meter per second square also we can write. Yes, we can write. Meter per second square also we can write. Units. Don't ask me how it will get cancelled. Kg meter per second square by kg. Then kg will multiple with second square. Kg will get cancelled. So you will remain with meter per second square. Even we can write this is unit for gravitational intensity. Am I clear?
Yes.
Dimensional formula, if you write, what is the dimensional formula? What is the dimensional formula for it?
Sir, m0 L t minus 2.
The same as
Same as acceleration. Yes, same as acceleration. So it is the gravitational field. Clear? Clear? Yeah. Look at this. So E equal to F bar by mass. This is only gravitational field intensity. If you take one mass, this mass is m. At r distance, if you take one point mass, at r distance, I took one point. Here I placed one m. So how much gravitational field is acting here? What is the intensity of gravitational field here? How will you calculate? How will you calculate gravitational field here? Due to
G m by r square.
G m by r square. This is the electric field due to point mass. Means one mass I took. It is only point mass. Due to this, how much gravitational field is there? What is the strength of the gravitational field? If I want to calculate, this is only the formula. It is, even we can call this as a electric field intensity due to point mass. Electric field intensity due to point mass. Due to point mass. Electric field intensity due to point mass, if you want to calculate, we have to write this formula, F by m. What is the F? Force between these two masses by mass of this object. Then you will get this formula, right? Very clear. Force. Two masses are there. Definitely force will be there.
Sir?
That force. Tell me, ma.
So this is by big M, right? So now if I want with small m, we should just replace big M with small m, right?
Yes.
So while comparing those two values, G small m by r square is way lesser than G big M by r square.
Yes, very, very less than G big M by r square. That's all. Because more mass, right? So definitely it will create the more electric field. More field strength will be there. It is less mass, less field will be there. That's all. So it is about the electric field intensity. Now one more. Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
What is electric field strength? What is electric field strength?
I don't remember, sir.
Oh God. Why, Priyanka? What is there? Prajwal? Prajwal, he is in. Pratik?
Yes, sir.
What is electric field? Gravitational field strength?
Um,
No?
sir, I don't know the exact value.
Value not. I'm asking definition, not value.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It's the space around a mass in which if another object is brought, it feels it can
That is called
experience the
field.
force.
That is field. That is called field. What is the gravitational field intensity? I'm asking. Intensity.
Like the definition.
Priyanka,
Yes, sir.
listen carefully, Priyanka. It is the earth, right? It is earth, okay? Okay,
Yes, sir.
around this field will be there. Okay,
Yes.
clear? One of the mass I placed here. So on this mass, due to this earth, how much force is acting? Force is acting on a unit mass is nothing but electric field. What is there? On this mass, due to earth, force is acting. So force acting on unit mass is called gravitational field intensity. That's all.
Sir,
Tell me, ma.
sir, now to find our how much till how much the gravitational field is present, we can use this, no, sir.
Gm by r square.
Sir, so when we consider E to be 0,
Hmm.
that time R will be square root of Gm. So this is at this distance, the gravitation is
Field intensity is
lowest.
yes. Priyanka, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So now, what is this force? Who is applying this force? Who is applying this force?
Earth
On whom?
and another object.
That's all. Force acting on this mass is nothing but intensity of. If force is increasing, how force will increase? When this object is coming very close to earth, force will increase, right? Force will increase easily. Because when the distance is decreasing, force increases, that we know. The force of attraction between the two masses always inversely proportional to square of their distance. So distance is decreasing. Distance is decreasing, force will increase. If force is increasing, what will increase? Electric field, gravitational field strength will increase. So to increase the gravitational field strength, we have to increase the force. If you want to increase the force, we have to reduce the distance. That's all. What is there? Pratik?
So,
Risha?
so could you explain again?
What is that?
So could you explain again? What is connected?
What I have to explain? Did you understand what is gravitational field strength?
So the last thing I wrote was gravitational intensity on the point object.
Yes, Risha. What is the gravitational field strength? Tell me. What is the formula for gravitational field strength?
F by N.
What is the F here?
Force.
Which force?
Gravitational force.
Who is applying force?
Earth or the mass.
Earth is applying on
The mass.
so this force acting on mass is nothing but what?
Gravitational intensity.
Now if I want to increase the intensity, what I have to increase?
Force.
So if I want to increase the force, what I have to do? It is the earth, it is the object here. Now earth having mass, even
Decrease
this
the
object
distance
having
between
mass.
them.
So if I want to increase the force between these two, I have to decrease the distance between these two, right?
Yes, sir.
So if I decrease the distance, force will increase. If force is increasing, intensity of gravitational field will increase. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Now one more concept. One more concept. These two concepts are very important. Gravitational potential. Gravitational potential.
Sir, I haven't done.
Tell me, Nabush.
Sir, now I have I said right to cross the gravitational field, we need to cross square root gm distance, right?
Mm.
So now to cross the square root gm distance,
Why
we need
square
to
root G? See, come on. Electric field, right? You are saying that Gm by R square, right? So if E
Yes.
is 0, you are saying, right?
Yes, sir.
If E is 0, everything is 0.
Yes, sir. Oh, okay, sir. Yes, sir. I understood.
Okay,
Sir,
that
then
is not
how
the correct.
to
Yeah, it is there, Nagbhushan. Topic is there, ma. Still topic is there. After completion of topic, whatever the doubts you have, you can ask, okay? Till topic is there.
Sir,
So, tell me.
sir, I have a doubt. I learned this long ago. I don't remember the name.
Mm.
Sir, the point on a boundary of gravitational field is called escape gravitation something. I don't remember.
Don't remember now. Escape
Okay,
velocity,
sir.
that is the next topic, okay? Escape velocity,
Okay,
orbital
sir.
velocity,
I would like to say.
these are there. So, gravitational potential now. Gravitational potential
Sir,
means, tell me, ma.
sir, if it's a physical class, we might not be discussing so much time now, sir. Same
Mm.
thing. This
Yes.
network problem is
Obviously,
very
because so many
complicated.
members, they can't even hear. I know that. That's why I will repeat 1 or 2 times. Look at this. Now, gravitational potential. I am taking Earth. Okay, at r distance, I am considering one of the point P. Look at this, everyone. Earth. At r distance, I am considering one of the point. Am I clear this?
Yes, sir.
So, I want to calculate what is the potential here. Okay, what is the potential? What is the potential at P? At P due to me or Earth? Due to
Earth.
Due to Earth. Okay, due to Earth, I am going to calculate. If my guess is wrong, not wrong, then I know that you know the potential definition. Potential equal to, in 10th class also you learned. Potential
sir.
is nothing but work done to bring a mass
we
from,
learned it as charge.
yes, actually charge. There, work done to bring a charge from infinity to any one point in the field. Did you remember?
So that's 1 coulomb. No?
Here, work done to bring a mass from infinity to at this point. Mass is at infinity. So I want to bring this mass from infinity to here. So if I want to bring that from here, infinity to here, then I have to do work. Okay. Am I clear? Risha?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear, Risha? What I'm discussing, am I clear? Or any problem is there? Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Am I clear? Audible, right?
Yeah.
Topic also it is clear or not? Let me know, okay? So,
Yeah.
due to Earth, even Earth having some of the field that we know. Now, it at r distance, I consider one of the point, okay? At this point, how much potential is there? That I have to calculate. So to calculate potential, even in the 10th class you have studied, potential equal to work done to bring a charge from infinity to that point is nothing but potential that you have studied. Okay. So here what I'm doing, I want to calculate potential due to Earth. So work done to bring a mass from infinity to this point. What I have to bring? Mass I have to bring. Here why I have to think about the charge? We are talking about the masses. So work done to bring a mass from infinity to at that point is nothing but potential. Am I clear? Hello?
So this point is having influence, right?
Obviously, that point having influence of that is, then only there is a potential. Otherwise, no, right? There is a influence. Which influence? Earth gravitational field influence is there on this point. Now I want to bring this. If you understand clearly, see, first lesson in the second year you will discuss the same things, no changes. Okay, so that is the reason I am stressing here. Suppose if I want to bring this mass from here to here, I no need to bring. Happily it will come. What is the reason? Tell me.
Sir, attractive force.
Attractive force. So why I have to do work? Why I have to do work? No need to do work, no? Just
Sir,
if I
it's the
touch.
work done by the system, right?
Yes, actually, just no, that is also wrong. Okay, just if I touch this mass, happily it will come here. I no need to do any work to bring this mass because attraction force will be there. Now, what I am doing? I am doing work like,
So you have written work done at infinity minus P, right? By M. Can you explain that part again?
I am doing work, okay, Ananya,
Yeah.
to bring this mass, okay?
Work on the mass that is at infinity.
Yes, from that infinity to at this point I have to bring. What I am bringing? I am bringing this mass.
Okay.
Okay, mass is here. Imagine mass is here. This mass is at infinity. I want to bring this mass from here to here. Okay, so I have to do work or not? I have to do work or not?
Slightly maybe.
Okay, so if we use with if we think with our common sense, we no need to do any work here. Why? Because gravitational force always attractive force. It will attract. If it is there anything, it will attract. No doubt in that. So what I am going to do? Think once. Now what I am going to do? Actually, I can say this formula and I can complete the topic, but that is not my intention. Okay, topic is over. Potential is nothing but work done to bring a mass from infinity to that point is nothing but potential. I can complete this topic here. That is only called gravitational potential. But that is a very, very big wrong. So that is the reason I am trying to explain. Please try to understand.
So work done to bring definition, sir.
Work done to bring a mass from infinity to any point in the field. Any point in the field. That point I took here at r distance from the earth. You can bring any at any point. Suppose it is the
What does P signify? Is it a mass or is it a point?
Oh, it is the point
It's
just
a
in the
point.
field. In the field, it is one of the
Okay,
point.
okay.
This point can be anywhere in the field.
But obviously it is a massless point, right? Only then it can attract the other mass which is at infinity.
I am telling that due to this earth, field is there. No need to think that here there is a mass. Why you are thinking there is a mass? Here there is no mass. Here field is there. That field is created by earth. That field is created. Now this is the total field created by earth, right?
Yeah.
So if any mass is entered to this field, what will happen? What will happen
It'll
if any?
have attractive force.
That's what I'm telling. Again, why we have to think there is a mass here and it is nothing is there. Nothing like that, right?
Okay, so P is just a point.
Just a point in the field. Okay. Okay. Now, if I want to bring this mass from here
You are
to
only
here,
shifting the mass from infinity to P. After that, automatically it's going. You are not doing any work. Work is zero. Only
Yes.
attraction force is doing something.
yes, Prashant. That's what I'm saying. But no, there are some members they are not understanding. Please, what I'm saying, I don't want to do any work to bring this mass. Why I have to do? Once if I touch here, okay, it will come like this. Once if it is come here, obviously earth will attract that body. So what work I have to do here? I don't want to do any work. So
So the work done is by the bigger mass.
bigger mass, work done by the bigger mass, but that is not. Here, if you want to think about the potential, work should be done by the external force. Work should be done by the external force. So how to create that work? That's what I'm going to do. Look at this. Am I clear? So here I don't want to do any work. Easily this mass will come here. Then what is this? Nothing. Due to the internal forces only that will happen. So it is not correct. Now what I'm going to do, look at this carefully. I am placing the same mass here. I am placing the same mass here. Now this mass I am going to take from here to infinity. Come on. I am going to take this mass from here to infinity. Now I have to do work or not? Tell me.
So work has
Sir,
to be
yes.
Yes, sir, you have to.
Why? You know, here this side is gravitational force is acting. Gravitational force is
We
acting.
have to escape the gravitational field.
Yes. Now what I am doing, I am applying force in this direction. How much Earth is attracting, same amount of force I am giving in this direction, and I am pulling. Now I am doing work or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I am doing. So how much work I am doing on this mass? That is nothing but potential of the, so that is nothing but gravitational potential. So how much work I am doing? Let's see. So first, gravitational force is acting in this direction. I am applying external force in this direction. Now body immediately it will move, or small displacement it will move. Is it move small displacement or immediately it will come here? Come
So
on.
it will not be immediate.
It is how much force is acting in this direction, same amount of force I'm applying in these directions. So it moves very slowly. Okay. It moves very slowly. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So
So could you
whatever.
repeat again?
Yes, come on. I am repeating, and it's a very important topic I'm telling. So many problems are depending on this type of topics. Mass is here. Now gravitational force is attracting in this direction. I am applying force in the opposite direction, so that this body will move very slowly. There is no any change in kinetic energy. There is no kinetic energy here. There is no any change in the kinetic energy. Okay, slowly body is moving. Slowly body is moving. So when it is moving slowly, first
Sir, just a second. The F external that you're applying, that is it equal to FG?
FG and opposite to the FG. Am I clear?
So if
Okay,
it's equal,
okay.
then why doesn't it remain in the same place?
Ha. No, it won't remain the same place. Now, if both forces are equal in the opposite, you should not say that body should be at rest. Body can move with uniform velocity. You know that?
Okay, yes, sir.
That concept we have to use, because we have to take this body from here to infinity, right? We have to take, then only work is done. If it is here, what is the work? Then what is the potential? Nothing we can calculate. Am I clear? Asmi, am I clear? Risha?
Yes, sir.
Now, same amount of force. Now, small work is there. That small work is nothing but force into small displacement. Am I clear?
Sir, don't we have to do large amount of work?
Come on. Initially, small amount of work only will be done. Now, when I'm going from here to...
Every large step will have a very small step.
No. Here, force is variable.
sir.
Come on. Force is variable force or constant force?
It's variable.
That is the reason work is not... we can't consider the total work immediately.
So we integrate it or something?
We have to integrate. Why? Because it is not constant force, ma. Here force is different. Here force is different. Here force is different.
Oh, yeah. Got it,
So that
sir.
is the reason. First, we have to do small amount of work. Again, small amount of work that we have to integrate. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, small amount of work I did. Now I am integrating. What are the integrating limits? Tell me, from where to where?
Sir, dW is from.
Sir, DW is nothing but
limits, sir.
DW limits is W
Sir,
only.
F is for P to infinity.
Very good, ma. F is from where I have to write P? Down or up?
Down, sir, down, sir.
So P to infinity.
Sir, if we are trying to pull an object from infinity to P, it will be down infinity, then up P.
Yes, and what I'm doing, I'm giving negative here. Do you know why
Yes,
I'm
sir,
giving
because
negative?
we need negative force to pull it out.
Okay, but I'm in which direction I am applying force? In that direction only it is moving, right? Now work is calculating according to my force, right? I am calculating work due to my force, right? Whatever I am applying force.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, external force.
That force is nothing but opposite to the same. It is equal and opposite to the gravitational force, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Whatever force I am applying, it is equal to the gravitational force but opposite direction, right?
Sir, then instead of F, can we write FG there?
Oh.
Okay, no. we
F
can't,
external,
sorry.
F external.
Yeah.
This work done by the external force, not, and it is equal to the Fg, but opposite in the nature. Okay, am I clear?
Yeah, so F external is equal to minus Fg.
That's what. Now look at this.
That is why you wrote minus, no sir. You already
Yes.
put minus. So
Yes.
we can even write Fg.
Yes. Now look at this. Am I clear? Everything? Everything? Am I clear? Up to here, any doubt? Risha, Priyanka? Any doubt? See, it is very clear, ma. If I want to bring this object from here to here, I no need to do any work. Then you can't calculate the potential, because even in 10th class you have studied the potential is nothing but work done to bring a charge from infinity here. So that you know potential, if you want to calculate work, you have to do. But if you don't do work, then how can you calculate potential? You can't. That is the reason what I am doing. I am taking mass from here to here. Once if I take from here to here, then gravitational force is acting in this direction. Opposite to the gravitational force, I am carrying mass. And whatever I am carrying, whenever I am carrying this mass, that force is variable force. Force is changing. Force is changing. So that is the reason first I will do small amount of work. That small amount of work is force into displacement. Clear? Santosh, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Prashant, am I clear, ma? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Look at this. Now tell me one small thing, okay? So this dw plus dw plus dw plus how much? I will get the w.
W.
W, okay? Integration. What is the F? What is the F, my here? Tell me, what is the force? What
Sir,
is
negative of Fg.
So how much? What is the force? What is the force
Sir,
between
yes,
the
sir,
two
yes, sir,
masses?
I can tell, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, it is Gm by
G
C.
M
Gm by R square.
R square. So I will take as
dr.
I am taking as a x square and dx.
Sir, why don't we write just the R square and dr?
P to R, no. So this P point only from R to infinity.
Okay,
Again,
sir.
we will
Yes, sir.
substitute the R. So dx we have taken, no. So I took x square.
Sir, why did you substitute P with R?
P with R,
P with R.
where is the point of this P? From R distance from the earth, right? So we are moving this mass from R distance to infinity, right? R to infinity.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Where is this point is located? At R distance. So I took R. R to infinity I am moving. If I say I am moving this mass from P to infinity, means where is the P? P is at R distance. That is the meaning. Am I clear?
Yeah, sir.
Now look at this. Minus G M and M constant, take it out, and R and infinity. So here 1 by x square dx. What is the integration of 1 by x square dx? What is the integration of 1
Sir,
by x
minus
square?
1 by x.
Minus 1 by x. Oh, ho, ho. One more minus we are getting. Please.
Yes, sir.
Then don't take this negative. Because this body is moving due to our external force only. So work also we are doing in which direction we are applying force, in that direction only it is moving. Yeah. Nabhushnu.
Sir, don't. Sir, you can put minus symbol, sir, actually.
Yes, sir, Nabhushnu, but we will get positive.
Sir, anyways, it will become plus 1 by x only, no, sir?
Yes,
Because
yes. Okay, because whatever work
So
we are
why
doing.
are you considering x? Why aren't you substituting r?
Why, you know? So it is first I am taking at a x distance from I will move this
The
body from x
distance
distance.
point P to E, that is Earth. That is whatever big mass.
That P is nothing but r distance from the earth, right?
Yes, sir, that's what I'm telling.
Even if I can substitute r also, if I substitute r, then you can't do integration 1 by r square 1 by r square dx. Can you do 1 by r square dx? Can you do this?
No.
Okay. For your sake, I will write it is the r square and it is dr, and it is also
sir,
r
that's what I'm
square
saying.
and it is dr. It is also 1 by r minus 1 by r. It is also f dx place f dr. Okay, so drs only. Keep like that. Now it is from r to infinity. Now substitute the values minus gmm first upper limit minus.
Sir, it's too down, so if you could write up.
Oh. Am I clear up to here? Any doubt?
Sir, you can shift the camera down.
Am I clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, right? It is very easy. I don't know. Don't make it is very big, complicate. Oh, I'm doing work opposite to the gravitational field. So that work formula is force into displacement. Why I'm taking
So one more
integration?
thing. F exterior is equal to minus Fg, right?
Exterior, not external force. Equal to?
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
external. So instead of writing there F ext, shouldn't you write Fg?
Why Fg? I want to calculate that force. I'm converting that force. What is the force here? Gmm by r square, no? Again, why I have to write Fg? F is nothing but force. Force. Which force? Gravitational force only. Again, if I write Fg also, I will write Gmm by r square only. Gravitational force formula what? Gmm by r square only, no? That's what I will write again. Again, I am applying force. Whenever I am applying force, again in that place, why I have to place Fg? That is gravitational force only, no? It is our force. Whatever we are applying, that force it is. And that force formula, how much? Force is nothing but Gmm by r square. That's what. So everything is constant. Take it out 1 by r square, and it is the result. Now minus Gmm upper limit is minus 1 by infinity minus of 1 by r. So it will become 0. So you will minus Gmm by r. Why we are getting minus Gmm by r, you know?
Sir, because we are doing work
In opposite to the gravitational force. That is the reason we
Yes.
got. Yes, ma. Very good. Now work. Now we
Sir,
calculate.
so now W infinity to P is nothing but Gmm by R.
Yes, Gmm by r. From infinity to field. Now I calculated work. If I want to calculate potential, what is the formula for potential? Potential equal to work by mass. So work potential equal to work how much? Minus Gmm by r by m. Mm will get cancelled. So potential equal to minus Gm by r. So if anybody has any doubts, please let me. You should get clarification here itself, because even in the next year, if I start the same topic, you should not get doubt. Yeah, we have idea. That confident that you should get. First
So-
lesson is same. So what is the doubts you have? Tell me now. Now time is there. Tell me.
So what did you write after the integration? Can you explain the steps?
Okay. Integration, right?
Yeah, sir.
Integration, right? F is nothing but force only, right?
Yeah, sir.
Which force? Gravitational force, right? To the gravitational force, in the opposite direction, I am applying the same amount of force, right?
So you take it as negative, right?
Yes, negative. That's what I took.
Okay.
So what is the gravitational force here? Gmm by r square
R square. Yeah, sir.
into dr.
Yes, sir.
It is constant. It is constant. It is constant. Take it out.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now 1 by r square
Wait,
dr
sir,
is
one
left,
doubt I have,
right?
sir.
Prashant, 1 minute, ma.
Doubt. One doubt.
Just a minute, huh? I'm explaining to her. 1 by r square dr, okay?
Which is minus 1 by R.
Yeah, which it will become minus 1 by r, because
Okay.
1 by x square 1 by x square dx integration is equal to minus 1 by x. This is the formula. 1 by x square dx integration is minus 1 by x. So it is minus 1 by r. Integration limits r to infinity. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
First, I will substitute the upper limit in the r, that is infinity, minus upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. So upper limit minus lower limit is r, I substituted. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
minus into minus is plus. It is 0. So you will remain with W is equal to minus G mm by R. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I calculated work, but I want to calculate potential. So what is the potential formula? Potential equal to work by mass. What is the work, ma? What work it is? It is nothing but work done on the mass to bring from infinity to any point in the field. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, and what is the work? How much I calculated? Work is this much, right?
Yes, sir.
That work I substituted here, and one more mass is there. Mass will get cancelled. So potential equal to minus G mm by R. Am I clear?
So GM by R, right?
Gm by R, because one
Yeah.
m will get cancelled, no? So Gm by R.
Yes, I got it.
Yes. Now gravitational potential. Gravitational potential is scalar or vector?
Sir, shouldn't it be positive?
It's not positive. Negative only. Actually,
Sir, when we are just taking gravitational potential to the point, then it's positive only, no, sir?
yes, due to our work, it is negative happen. But actually, it is positive. We can write positive. It is always positive. Why? Because it is a scalar quantity. There is no direction for it.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a doubt.
So it is a scalar.
So this is nothing but volt only, no, sir?
Yes, ma. There we will discuss about the charge. There we will discuss about the charge. That time it is volt. Okay. Potential same.
Sir, why can't you call this also as volt only?
We can actually. We can call.
So then work is also scalar only, no?
Work is scalar. That is the reason potential also scalar.
Exactly. So the work done there, if it is negative or positive, it doesn't make difference, right?
No. But why we got negative here? Only one reason. That is we are doing work opposite direction to the gravitational field. That is the reason we got negative here.
Okay.
So is negative. Why we are representing work is negative? I am doing work opposite to the gravitational field. That is the meaning. Here negative is not showing anything. It is telling that you are doing work opposite to the gravitational field. That's what it is telling. So this is the concept, main concept. Immediately in the textbook, when you are reading work done to bring a mass from infinity to at this point, no need to do any work if you want to bring from infinity to here. Work will be done by the gravitational force only. There is no meaning in that. So you have to do. Even detailed, correctly I will explain in the next class. What is the potential and what is the potential difference? Two things are there. I will explain that definitely. Okay. So remember this thing. Prashant, tell me, ma.
Prashant? I got what?
Yeah. Okay. So what I'm saying, potential is nothing but.
Potential is not the same as potential energy, right?
No, it's not
No,
same.
right?
No, potential is different. Potential energy is different. Potential energy always exists between the two or more masses. Potential can come from the one mass. Here only one mass I have taken. This mass, this earth at point P, how much potential it will give? G m by R. This much potential it will apply. Means due to earth at this point, this much of potential will be there. Can I erase this? 1 minute, can
Yes,
I?
sir. Yes, sir.
So what I'm saying, don't get confusion. Now, if it is the earth, if I take R distance 1 point, at this point, due to this earth potential will be there. That potential is Gm by R. Even at this point P, due to earth electric field will be there. That electric field is Gm by R square. It is electric field at point P. Sorry, gravitational field at point P, and it is potential at point P due to earth. It is scalar quantity. It is a vector quantity.
Sir, so we can say that V by E is R.
Yes, see, gravitational field, if you want to discuss about the gravitational field, you can say by using the potential or by using the gravitational field. But gravitational field is a vector quantity and potential is a scalar quantity. These two terms we are using to express gravitational field at this point.
So gravitational intensity is vector quantity, right?
It is vector. It is vector. It is scalar.
So can you repeat the point?
It is scalar. It is vector, ma. It is scalar, okay?
Yeah.
And these two we are using to find what is the gravitational field at this point. These are the parameters.
Okay. So
How
one
much
more
gravitational?
thing. When in the beginning of gravitational potential, we found the potential for the mass.
Yes.
At infinity to point P, right?
Yes.
So you give V equal to W infinity minus P by M.
Yes.
Can you just explain that formula?
Once again,
You gave, right, V is equal to W infinity minus P by M.
B equal to?
W infinity.
Come on. Nothing is there. V equal to work done to bring a mass from infinity to point P. What is there in that?
So both are points. W infinity and
yes,
P is
infinity also 1 point and point also 1 point. This point is in the field. Infinity is at somewhere. Somewhere
so
means
you didn't give minus.
minus. Sorry. It is not minus. I want to bring this mass from infinity to point P.
So the formula for this will be Gm by R, but if you get it from point to infinity, it will be minus Gm by R. Right?
Potential is always negative. Potential is always scalar. No need any directions. You can write Gm by R. You can write. No problem.
That is also Gm by R only, no? Sir?
You can write. You can write because scalar.
From you derive the formula from point to infinity, right?
Point
that
to
will
infinity.
be minus Gm by R.
So potential from infinity to this, it will become
Should be
positive.
plus, right?
Plus.
Okay, that's what I was saying.
Okay, now look at this. In your minds, whenever I am saying infinity, you will feel that infinity means somewhere. Infinity means not somewhere, just out of the field. It is the earth. So around the earth field will be there. Any point out of the field is infinity only. Infinity means don't think that it is somewhere in the space, like in the, what is that, universe or somewhere. Not like infinity is nothing but any infinity. Infinity nothing but don't feel that it is just somewhere. Infinity is just nothing but out of the field. Any point if you take, that is infinity only. Keep in your mind, okay? Infinity means now I am bringing one of the mass is here. Thus mass I am bringing into the field. This point I am taking infinity. Why? Because here there is no influence of this field. Am I clear, Nagbhushan? What is the infinity?
Yes, sir.
Out of the field, any point is infinity only. No need to think infinity means as a so far distance. Okay, please. Okay, see in the next class. Please remember this concept. These are very, very such a important and nice concepts. You won't get any disturbance in the next year. First starting you won't get it. Happily you can move if you know these concepts. Otherwise, again there I have to get.
So what I said was right only, right?
Right,
From
right.
infinity to point, it's
right. Because we
correct,
got
right?
yes, we got negative because we are doing opposite. But
Yeah,
according
sir.
to Earth, that is positive. Correct, Asmi?
Okay.
Correct.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank
And
you,
it is
sir.
a scalar quantity. Okay, remember there is no any directions for this. Remember. And in the next class, I will say what is the relation between E. E means again Earth not. What is the relation between E bar and V? What is E bar?
Gravitational intensity.
Gravitational field intensity. What is V?
Potential.
Between these two, what is the relation? I will explain in the next class. Because both are useful to calculate what is the gravitational field, right? So I will explain the relation. Please keep in your mind. Okay. See you in the next class. By
Thank you, sir.
Saturday,
Thank you, sir.
mostly whatever it is there in your syllabus, till that it will I can explain. Okay. By the Saturday, mostly I will try to explain. If you understand quickly, I can move fast. Otherwise, one more class it will take. But gravitational we can complete until your up to your textbook. For the extra information, I will discuss. Okay.
Yes,
In the
sir.
next class.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
He's so black.